The night is quiet. City lights shimmer across wet pavement, reflecting like diamonds beneath a dark sky. Somewhere in the distance, a low mechanical growl breaks the silence, and then it appears. The 2026-27 Mercedes-AMG G63 BRABUS 800. Not just a vehicle, a presence. It rolls toward you like a blacked-out fortress on wheels. Every edge sharp, every surface deliberate. This isn't transportation. This is dominance sculpted in steel and carbon fiber. From the very first glance, the BRABUS treatment announces itself without saying a word. The widened stance gives the G-Class a muscular posture, like it's bracing itself for battle. Carbon fiber accents wrap around the hood, mirrors and fenders catching the city glow in subtle flashes. The signature BRABUS front fascia looks aggressive yet refined, while massive forged wheels fill the arches with unapologetic confidence. Walk around it slowly. Feel how tall it stands beside you. The squared-off silhouette remains unmistakably G-Wagon, but now it's sharper, darker, more intimidating. Quad exhaust tips peek from the rear like loaded barrels, promising thunder at the slightest press of the throttle. And those headlights. At night, the LED rings burn through the darkness with surgical precision, casting long shadows across the road. It feels less like a car and more like a moving monument. Now open the door. The sound alone tells you this is something special. Inside, the world changes. Soft ambient lighting flows across stitched leather surfaces, wrapping the cabin in a warm glow. The air smells faintly of premium hide and craftsmanship. BRABUS logos are subtly placed, reminding you that every inch of this interior has been touched by human hands. Lower yourself into the seat. The leather is cool at first, then slowly warms beneath you. Diamond stitching runs across the cushions like tailored couture, while carbon fiber trim glimmers beside brushed aluminum details. Your fingers naturally find the steering wheel, thick and perfectly contoured. Wrapped in Alcantara and leather, this is not just a cockpit, it's a command center. Ahead of you, twin digital displays stretch wide, blending navigation, performance data, and luxury visuals into one seamless experience. The Burmester sound system hums softly in the background, waiting to turn your drive into a concert hall on wheels. Press the start button. The engine awakens. A deep guttural roar fills the cabin, echoing off nearby buildings. This is BRABUS handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 announcing its presence. 800 horsepower surges beneath your feet. 800 pound-feet of torque waits patiently for your command. The vibration travels through the seat, through your spine, straight into your heartbeat. Ease onto the accelerator. The BRABUS 800 moves forward with surprising smoothness, gliding through city streets like a luxury yacht navigating calm waters. But you know what's hiding beneath that refinement. Find an open stretch of road. Now press harder. The response is instant. The G63 lunges forward with shocking urgency, launching this 3-ton luxury SUV from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. Your body presses into the seat. The exhaust barks aggressively. The turbos whistle as power floods in. It doesn't feel like acceleration. It feels like being pulled through space, yet somehow it remains composed. The suspension absorbs imperfections in the pavement with effortless grace. Steering feels precise, confidence-inspiring, and surprisingly agile for something this massive. Every turn feels intentional, every movement controlled. This is where BRABUS magic truly lives, blending raw brutality with refined elegance. Cruising down the highway, the cabin becomes a sanctuary. Wind noise fades away. The world outside blurs softly. Ambient lighting dances across the doors as your favorite track plays through crystal-clear speakers. You glance at the city skyline in the distance. You don't just feel rich, you feel powerful. And then there's the price. The 2026-27 Mercedes-AMG G63 BRABUS 800 starts around $350,000 in the US, and depending on customization, it can climb well beyond $400,000. But this isn't about value. It's about statement. This is for those who refuse to blend in, for those who demand exclusivity, performance, and craftsmanship in one unstoppable package. Driving the Brabus 800 isn't about getting from point A to point B. It's about how you arrive. People turn their heads. Phones come out. Conversations stop mid-sentence. Whether parked beneath neon lights downtown or rolling through mountain roads, this SUV commands attention without asking for it. As night falls and the city lights flicker on, the Brabus 800 feels even more alive. The illuminated cabin glows softly. The exhaust crackles quietly on downshifts. Reflections ripple across its glossy paint. You sit there for a moment, hands resting on the wheel, and you realize something. This isn't just a car review. This is an experience. The 2026-27 Mercedes-AMG G63 BRABUS 800 represents the extreme edge of luxury performance. It's where German engineering meets unapologetic attitude, where craftsmanship meets chaos, where comfort meets controlled violence. It doesn't whisper, it roars. And as you step out, closing the door behind you, that solid thud echoes through the empty street like punctuation at the end of a powerful sentence. Because some vehicles move you physically, but this one moves your soul. This is ORG New Update, and this is Brabus Perfection.